Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this simple but tricky question. 12 divided by 1 by 2 into 12 divided by 1 by 12 into 12. This is very simple one, but for those who have already solved this question, go and comment your answer and I will give them heart. So we will solve this with the PAMDAS rule. So again, as we know, division and multiplication have the same priority, and in this case from we solve this from left to right, and in that case we again 12 divided by 1 by 12 into 12, and here we will apply the ECF rule, keep change flip. So we will keep this 12 as it is, we will change this division into multiplication, and we will flip that numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. So here our equation will be 12 into 12 and this part into 12. So basically our equation will be 12 cube. And if you want to solve this in very detailed way, then 12 into 12, which will become 144 into 12, which will ultimately become 1728. So here 1728 is the right answer. And if you want to more maths, go and check out our best math books for your children's, and subscribe channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.